Hey guys, let's spend a couple minutes having a pretty candid discussion about, yes, size does matter in self-defense. One of the most common questions I get, especially when I'm speaking to large groups about self-defense laws in the state of Washington, is the hypothetical about the 6'4", 255-pound brute with nothing but muscles coming out everywhere attacking a person of similar stature versus that person attacking perhaps a 73-year-old woman who's only 5'1" and 105 pounds. Does that change when lethal force may be used? Well, the answer to that is yes, it does. Because if we take a look at the baseline rules, and for those of us that have been geeking out here for a while, we know that under RCW 9A.16.020 subsection 3, we can use any force which is necessary, reasonable, and proportional to fend off unlawful force against us. However, under RCW 9A.16.050, as well as a litany of case law, we cannot use lethal force to defend ourselves unless we are in imminent threat of death or serious bodily injury. Now, when we take a look at the hypothetical combatant situation here, it is true that a gentleman who is 6'4", 27 years old, 250 pounds, and works out daily does pose a serious threat. He poses a less serious threat, however, if the person to be attacked, of course, is also 6'4", 255 pounds, and equally in stature. The likelihood that harm could be inflicted on the victim here is great. The likelihood that substantial bodily injury could be inflicted, however, is not nearly as great. Replace the would-be victim, however, with this woman right here, and now we could see that substantial bodily injury is not only possible, it's very probable, it's almost guaranteed, and it's almost guaranteed to happen immediately. Does the victim in this situation have a higher probability of being able to employ lethal force, deadly force, earlier in this conflict? I believe that if the law is properly applied to this factual scenario, the answer is yes. Listen, you may have more questions about how this plays out or anything else related to some self-defense laws in Washington State. Check out some of these videos right here we've done on our channel. My name is William Kirk. I am the president of Washington Gun Law, and you have been watching Bullet Points.